What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is the Rogue Vet tuning in, aka Jared here, and we are having another video. As you can see, just a quick little video. We have our boy who's getting a ZR1 style Steve 7 splitter put on for his whip. It's gonna look cool. I'm gonna show you all that here in just a second. I didn't get to film the install of it, but that's okay. Someone else in our group, the Lone Star Corvettes, will probably end up having to do an install for that. So hopefully I can be there to basically show the whole process of how to put the ZR1 style C7 rear spoiler on the car. But anyway, guys, this is just a quick little video. I haven't made something in a minute, you know, just because I've sold the car and I have a bunch of other things that are going on with life. But anyway, I just wanted to bring this video for y'all, just so you'll have something to kind of look at and see, and you know, we'll make it a good one. But anyway, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. I appreciate y'all, and let's check it out. We got the C7 Vette ski right here. Also at VIP Edge, if you live in the San Antonio area, you want to check him out for any like tail lights, etc. He'll hook you up. And then there's the other at Andy Gomez. And then LSC, got them LSC decals. He's also got some too right there. Oh man, guys, I can't wait until I can get my Z06. It'll be a year from now, January 2025. That's when I'm aiming to get it. So y'all just be patient. I'll be doing content on all these cars that are in Lone Star Corvettes, but it'll come. It will come. I will have my red Z06 supercharged. It'll be awesome. Gonna do a bunch of stuff for it, so it'll be awesome. It's coming along, as you can see here. Look at that. There's Andy's right there, looking nice. I actually like the chrome on this color. I usually don't like chrome too often. You know me, I like the black, but I think it just looks really good for this particular color here. Looks really good. There's a front again for his. You can kind of see it. Oh snap. We gonna sit in it. We wanna be real careful. We don't wanna hit nothing. Oh, it's been too long, guys. It's been too long. I haven't sat in a C7 in forever. But check it out. Look, he's got the 7-speed manual right here, man. 7-speed manual. Look at this, man. Look, it's got a what's this third pedal? What does this thing do? He's got some weird third pedal over here. I don't know what this is for. It's got some weird third pedal. All the way over in reverse. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rolling through them gears, but I don't know if you can see that. There's the clutch, man. I haven't pushed a clutch in since I had my Terminator, guys. My freaking Terminator Cobra, 6-speed. Oh gosh, guys. Being in the Vette again. There's the Z06. I'm gonna see if I can sit in that one. Alright, guys, here's gonna be me when I get my Z06. I'm gonna be like, alright, let's drop it. We're dropping it. We'll drop it in a second. Here we go, here we go. And then I want to get a shot of the interior with those competition racing seats. Let's take a look-see inside the Z06. I am going to do a full video with this one once we do a couple things, but just a quick little glance, as you can see there. Boom. I'm going to go sit on the other side. There's Andy. Yeah. Oh snap, we're in the big boy now. We in the big boy now. Oh man, we in the big boy. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Z06. freaking Z06. I'm gonna have one of these, son. Z06. Golly, man. Oh, I miss my freaking car. Oh, he's got the see-through roof. But man, oh gosh, I can't wait. Can't wait. Oh, it's gonna be freaking awesome. I'm so excited. Y'all just be patient, like me. I have to just be patient. Good things will come. Good things will come. It's all good. It's good in the hood.
Like content is content.
Yeah, I need to clean this for you.
No,
LT4 blower, man. There's the main man right there. Say hi to the camera. Yeah. This is our Lone Star Corvette's pet here.
Mascot.
It's the mascot. Freaking lime green caterpillar. I guess that's what that is. Look, he's making some web there. Dang. What is that,
That's
man?
crazy. You're gonna give it.
Oh snap, there it goes. There's the other one. Oh my gosh, guys. That freaking wing is insane. Yeah, I'm in the daily. I'm in the Mazda. My daily. Holy cow, guys. That wing is badass. Oh, that's look good, man. Look at that. Oh boy. We fixing to get the shots. The shots. It's gonna be good. Oh man, look at this. Man, guys, look at that wing. Holy smokes. It looks good. Man, look at it. Look at it. Wowzers. That thing is crazy. Freaking crazy, man. It's so aggressive. Alright guys, well that's pretty much a wrap for the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. I'll have more coming on the way in the future. But anyway, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And I appreciate everything that y'all do for me. Alright guys, this is Jared, aka the Rogue Vet out. Peace.